This video is about downward facing dog. Hi, my name is Jessie, and today we're going to cover more than 10 really important steps that you can take to ensure that you have a really good downward facing dog, which is a very foundational pose in our yoga practice. So it's important to know that we're doing it properly. So we can just come to our hands and knees, bring the hands under the shoulders, spread the fingers out nice and wide. We want nice, even pie-shaped pieces between our fingers. Have the hands right under the shoulders. Make sure the knees are under the hips. Look back behind you and make your feet disappear back behind your legs. That'll let you know that you're on a nice, even plane. Then we're going to make sure that when we come up, we're pushing the weight in between the thumb and the first finger, that fleshy part in between. Oftentimes we tend to put a lot of the weight on the outside edges of our hands. And we're just going to tuck the toes under. Initially, keep the knees bent. Come up. Let the head hang heavy. We want to draw the belly button in. Bring the hips up as high as you can get them. Let the head hang heavy. And then spin your elbows towards the floor. Draw the low floating ribs in. This is like the abdominal area. Pull it in and up, really engaging that area. Broaden through the collarbones. Let them kind of come down towards the spine. And then try straightening your legs by pushing your heels towards the floor. Spin the elbows towards the ground. As you continue to push the fleshy part into the ground, there between the thumb and the first finger. Good job. Just hold and breathe. Come back to the hands and knees. And we can do it one more time just to make sure that we've really got it, because practice makes permanence. Not perfect, but permanent. It's a really important phrase that I try to remember. You can do the same thing wrong consistently and end up with a yoga injury. So spread the fingers out nice and wide, nice even pie-shaped pieces. Remember to try and push the weight in between the thumb and the first finger. Look back behind you, make your feet disappear, make sure the knees are under the hips, tuck the toes under, shoot the tailbone up as high as you can. Try to bend the legs at first to get the tailbone up even higher. And this can also help you push your shoulder blades towards the floor as you firm up the abdomen. Pull the belly button towards the spine like somebody has a rope that they're pulling back behind your back. Draw the lower floating ribs in, so the abdomen's coming in and up. Broaden through the collarbones, spin the elbows towards the floor, and try to rotate the inner thighs inward as you engage your upper legs, and then push your heels towards the floor. There's a whole lot going on in this pose. Good job. Come back down. Excellent work. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you got a lot out of this video. Please feel free to like, subscribe, share, and check me out on Instagram. Until next time, may love and light be yours. Namaste, bitches.